Today, I'll show you how to password protect a PDF on Windows for free. First, open your browser and search for PDFgear. Go to the official PDFgear website, then click the free download button to download PDFgear and install it on your computer. This tool is completely free to use, and there is no sign-up and no ads. After installing, open PDFgear and upload the PDF file you want to protect. Next, click Protect in the top menu bar and select Password. A pop-up window will appear where you can set your password. Enter the password, confirm it again, and then click the OK button to apply the password. Then, click the Save button in the top left corner to save the protected PDF file. When you open the PDF again, you will be asked for a password. Enter the password you just set, and the file will open. If you want to remove the password, simply click Protect at the top and choose Remove. In the pop-up window, click Yes, and the password will be removed successfully. Try PDFgear and unlock more powerful PDF features.